其实如果你叫我要学那个 Unity， 然后你要用它来做什么时候，我个人还是蛮犹豫的，因为有些学 Unity 它是 for 跟 PLC 能够通讯 for PLC community， and another way that we can using the Unity for the game. Oh no, using the C# for game, by Unity. So maybe you let me learn the C# is for hard. It's hard to depend. Because in real world, rarely company using Unity to develop the game. Because the game company is 因为游戏的公司会比这种工业的公司还要少，所以当我们想要找到一个游戏的行业的这种游戏工作机会就会比较少，所以如果你要学 Unity 的话，如果你没有说你一定要进游戏行业的话，那我建议你还是学一些工业的应用，例如说 C# 要怎么样来跟 PLC 做沟通，来using the software to control the hardware。然后 C# 它其实还可以用来做什么地面工作站，就是无人机地面工作站的开发，所以如果你有兴趣的话，也可以去学。The most important things for the clean code is you have to give the error function a variable. Give his meaning. Why we have to give it a meaning, because if you code is like this function, maybe functions 1 blah 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 for I in range maybe 10 and the list plus 1. Do you know this meaning? Not easy, right? If you have any comment. This for code running second. If you not comment here, you don't know what this meaning. But if we translate to functions running to here, running maybe second, right? Plus is equal to 1. We know this function is for running, and when a time 1 second added to 1, maybe here we have to set a clock. CLOCK for here, and dot time is 1 second. Maybe this function is built for when after 1 second we add 1 for recode. how time will run. Okay, so this is the most important for your clean code. You have to make your variable, function name, evident clearly. Let other people can easy to read your code. And maybe later you need to maintain your code. That is more easy. If you want to seek a job, don't like me. Sometimes learning the Python, sometimes learning the Java, sometimes learning the JavaScript, C, C++, LLM, or front-end, back-end developers. Don't do like this to random for learning. Yeah, how should you do? Maybe first, you have to open your career seeking application. Maybe this. Okay, we get this. And this time, we can score which jobs I want. If I like this job, I can continue or contribute for this company which you want. Maybe this. Okay, we can look at the history card. This job you have to learn the ASP.NET Core, Vue.js, Microsoft SQL Server, GitLab. In the auto test, you have to unit, v-test, cases, attack. And the Docker in the distributed system, you have to read Docker, Kubernetes, Redis, Kafka. The monitor, you have the hierarchy, Grafana, Prometheus, and maybe it's because our SHA key is for identify the user. Because SHA key is like many key to combination. Blah, 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 blah. When the project reads this key, some user want to access his project. If this key is matched, he provide the access permission for that one. But if we assign the key to multiple project, it's too dangerous because of for security. They following the rule. Maybe one nation. One permission. So, access the two project is two action. So this is not corresponds one action, one permission. It's two action, one permission. So it's invoke. error. Not security issue. Somebody like the dog, but they captivity the dog. The dog can move anywhere, even though they treat me the sound food. But does this truly love it? Not. Somebody loving the bird. The original is born at the future, but people captivity the bird. It's the box. They say, I love in the bird. Does they truly love in the bird? Not. Somebody loving the fish. They the treats. They provide food for fish. At this water box. Does they truly love the fish? Not. Somebody loving his kid. They're living together. This kid want to seek in his job. He want. His parents say, living here, please. You can't go to anywhere. You have to work at your country in this region. They say they love the kid. Does they love it? Hello. Today I want to introduce my new job. It's about like the MS to manage the internet and handle the computer error. The first, we talk about weak point scan. A weak point scan is to seeking the virus. So we have to scan the whole company computer. So how we do that? The first, we have to launch our Kali Linux because our software is based on the Kali Linux. So software is here, In the second, we have to maybe let's get the permission sudo -s. I don't know what the meaning, but when you do that, maybe have to enter the password. Maybe. And this time, we have to type the sudo gvm start as our terminal. Okay. And this time, your weak point scanner is launched, so he will automatically to open a website. And that way we have to include the URL path. Maybe it's HTTP blah blah blah, and we copy this paste. And because our Kubernetes is using the virtual machine, so we go back to our Windows desktop, Windows operating system, and open the edge to paste our URL as this edge. We type the name and the password. Next page. And because the username and password is sensitive, so I can provide. This time we have to scan. So how to do? We have to select the file. That file maybe is include all the OA. Maybe this one is include OA computer IP address. Maybe it's include OA computer IP address. Okay, the next time. We select the internet, web security, business, and little 3 is every annual. Select the weak point scan, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months. We select the 113 is weak point scan folder, and this year is dependent on, maybe you are 115, 116, 120, 121, maybe a lot of you just select which you use. Next, we have to name the new target because maybe we already because we already select the file in here. Okay, and we have to provide a name. We have to provide, and we provide is like this. This is your date. Which one today? 1, 4, 20, 20, or 10, 20, 27. Yeah, right. And the scan task OA. OA is for Office Automatic. Maybe it's about the Office his desktop computer. The next, maybe next. The end. We have to save this file, save this task, and he will automatic scan. Okay, and that is about our business about the weak point scan.